Found out some more information about this clock. It was built in 1344, so the clockmaker was also housed in here because the person who made the clock also was tasked to maintain the clock. But what's interesting about it, if you look up closely, of course it has the 12 signs of the zodiac, but it's a 24-hour clock. It's not a normal 12-hour clock. So you can see on my right-hand side, there's one, like where the 3 would normally be, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way around the clock to just, again, above that 1, which is XX1111, which is 24. So it's a 24-hour clock. Very unique. According to the information here, it's the oldest clock tower in Europe. So, built in 1344. There's another picture shown on the other side of this gate that shows the mechanisms inside the clock. It's really cool. I wish we could go up there and have a look at it, but to make a precise clock would have been quite an ordeal back at that time. Apparently, it's one of the only structures, or 14th century structure, that's left in its original form here in Padova. Yeah, it's a beautiful building, beautiful clock tower. I'd love to go visit the inside to see the clock actually working. It looks like it's not working now, but anyway, it'd be cool to see the mechanisms at least of how it was built, and you can see, what kind of machinery that or at least imagine what kind of machinery was used to make the clock. So, again, I'm really happy that we came to Padova because I never knew that this city was so nice. Same like Treviso, it's a nice place to visit. And it's definitely a gem. I mean, everyone wants to go to Venice, which is not surprising, and I'm looking forward to seeing Venice Island as well, but I think many people miss these small gems that are surrounding this whole place. And you really have to walk around. There's hidden gems everywhere. Everywhere you turn, there's something new, or some interesting building, or some unique construction. It's like these little lamps. Well, it used to be a lamp, now it's a flagpole. And this one, yeah, I showed you this one before. This has the winged lion. And there's something about Beethoven, which is kind of cool. Oh, it's a soprano. It looks like an opera. Wow. I'd love to visit an opera. I don't think we're going to have time, but Beethoven would be really cool. One last shot of the clock.